Dean Oliver, congratulations first
Thank you so
for
much.
this one of the grandest send-off that I've been through. Congratulations to all the organizers. When you won Mr. Filipinas Man of the World, I stated in that interview that I think the Philippines will gonna win the Man of the World for the very first time, and it's you. And people are telling that it's really you, Oliver, that will be not that you're gonna get the crown of the Man of the World. How does it feel for you? Is it pressuring you a lot, or is it still striving you to do more and for you to be able to really get the crown?
For me, the pressure is undeniable. We all know that the Filipino fans are one of the most passionate in the world. The pressure is not like a weight for me. It's like a wind beneath my wings that helps me to soar high. It gives me fuel to strive to become better. Because I'm not just competing for my home country, but for my home country. And I want to prove that the heart of the Filipino is the strongest world-class asset we have.
Sorry, like a question. How many percentage do you feel that are you nearing to the crown? 1 to 100, how many percent of that?
Hindi sa nagmamayabang, but I think like 80 to 90%. But I'm still manifesting with a positive attitude and thinking positive lang din.
I think 99%. Wow! Thank you.